Filing a civil case in India involves specific steps that need to be followed as per the procedural laws, primarily the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, determine the jurisdiction. For subject matter jurisdiction, identify the type of court that handles your case, such as the district court or high court. For territorial jurisdiction, file the case in the court where the defendant resides or where the cause of action arose. For pecuniary jurisdiction, choose the court based on the monetary value of the claim. Next, draft the plaint, which is a written statement explaining the grievance. Include the name and details of the parties, the facts of the case and cause of action, the jurisdiction of the court, and the relief sought, such as compensation or injunctions. Attach supporting documents like agreements, receipts, and evidence. After that, pay the court fee. Calculate the court fee based on the value of the claim and pay the prescribed fee using court fee stamps as applicable. Then, file the plaint in the court. Submit the plaint along with all supporting documents, court fees, and an affidavit. The court will verify the plaint for compliance. Once the court accepts the plaint, it issues a summons to the defendant, requiring them to appear in court and respond. The summons is served through registered post, courier, or court bailiff. The defendant then files a written statement or reply to the plaint, generally within 30 days from receiving the summons. The written statement contains admissions, denials, and defenses. The court will then frame issues, identifying the key questions in the case that need to be resolved. Both parties will present evidence, including documents and witnesses may be examined and cross-examined in court. Following this, both parties will present their arguments and summarize their case before the court. After considering the evidence and arguments, the court delivers its judgment, which may include compensation, injunctions, or other remedies. If you are dissatisfied with the judgment, you can file an appeal in a higher court within the prescribed time. Here are some tips for filing a civil case. Consult a lawyer, as civil cases can be complex and legal advice ensures proper documentation and procedure. Document everything, keeping all correspondence, agreements, and evidence organized, and follow deadlines, adhering to the timelines specified by the court.